Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. The car's head unit must be on and your phone's Bluetooth set to discoverable. Once done, go to the DZire's infotainment settings, choose Bluetooth, then add device or pair new device. You do this immediately because waiting wastes time and can reset discovery. Make sure your phone isn't connected to another device. If it is, disconnect. The head unit will begin scanning and display a list of available devices. Next, pick your phone when it appears on the DZire screen. You'll see a PIN or passkey. Compare it with the number shown on your phone and confirm on both sides. Once you accept, grant permissions for calls and contacts so the system can show caller info and sync phone book. This step makes hands-free calling work properly. If the head unit asks to allow media/audio, permit it to stream music. If you have trouble, stop and retry pairing with only this phone visible. Finish by checking the DZire display and your phone both show connected for audio and calls. Then immediately place a test call and play a short track to confirm audio routing. Make sure the head unit is set to auto reconnect so your phone reconnects when you enter the car. If pairing fails, try toggling Bluetooth, restarting your phone, or removing stale pairings from the head unit before retrying. One key troubleshooting tip: delete any duplicate entries and reboot devices to clear caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.